Okay. Okay, sorry.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't care.
Yo, what's up you guys? It's your boy ZocTube here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. And guys, pretty much for this video, what I'll be doing is I'm gonna be doing some sort of like experiment type thing. And what this little experiment thing is, pretty much I'll be going up to random girls, you know, some girls that are my age, some that are like much older than me and stuff. And I'll be going up to them and I'll be trying to make them add me on Snapchat. And I know some of you guys are probably wondering, dude, how is that, how is that so hard to do? But the rule is I will not be allowed to say a single word. I'll just have to go up to them and try to make them add me on Snapchat just by showing them my little Snapchat code. Oh, and if you guys have not added me on Snapchat, be sure to do so. My little scanning thing will be right here or something. Just screenshot it if you're watching it on the phone. Just add me on Snapchat. Why not? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think the reactions turned out pretty funny. And one more thing, guys. I did record this entire video the same day I recorded my last video. So, obviously I'll be wearing the same clothes and stuff. So, yeah. I don't want you guys to be in the comments typing, oh, ZocTube boy, you don't change your clothes and stuff. So, yeah, don't even try to roast me. And, yeah, peace.
You want me to add you? What add you? What? I don't have a Snapchat. That's not my phone. The case?
Bruh.
Oh, that's you?
Bruh.
Okay. You want me to add you? I don't have Snapchat. I don't know what you're saying. I can't add you. I don't have Snapchat. I don't have Snapchat.
2017 doesn't have Snapchat.
Snapchat? Oh.
You want me to get a Snapchat? I don't take pictures. No. I don't think so. I don't want to add anything.
That was random. Okay. Okay, sorry. I'm good. I'm good. You have really nice eyes though, but
Thank you.
You can't just come over here and not say it.
Yeah, I know. Making a little video. People Snapchat without saying a word. You want to say anything to my camera?
Hi.
You want me to take a picture of you? Oh, as you. Okay. Okay. Wait, I don't know how to do it. Oh, okay.
What's that? Oh, he spoke the fuck out of me. You don't speak English? You trying to get your Snapchat.
You can talk right.
He scared the
What that mean?
press it. Look, press it.
He know how to talk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know about that.
What?
Tosh, what is he talking about? You need to talk. Use your words.
That's Snapchat. That's
I
Snapchat.
was trying to tell you to add me on Snapchat without saying a word.
I don't do
I was trying to tell you to add me on Snapchat.
Oh, do I look cool?
Has anyone told you you look like Beyonce?
I don't look like Beyonce because I'm black and she look like... I'm gonna beat your ass if you don't drop a like on the video.
Yep. Tell
Gotta do it right. So how do I look at it?
Making people add me on Snapchat without saying a single word. The camera's right there. I'm doing a little video. The camera is right there. See it?
That's awesome.
How old do you think this girl is?
She looks like she's 17, 18.
Bless you. Bless you. She is 23 and she's
What?
my wife.
Dude, that's awesome. Congratulations. She's mine now. You can check out my videos, bro. Show your friends.
Here's the deal. I just got to complain about y'all. First off, you can't be doing this here anytime, anyway, any fashion without consent or permission of the mall management. Anything out here that involves solicitation or whatever without consent of the mall management. Okay?
I understand.
So
We'll get going.
I appreciate that.
Sorry about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, y'all head on out.
I'll check it out.
Thank y'all.
Hey, you want to check out my channel? Videos?